All right, well, this afternoon, Ella and I are gonna do a little axe throwing. We're gonna have some games. We're gonna show you how to do that and get you out there on the range having fun. Throwing some of the Ned Foss axes and then some of the metal axes. It's like a heavy DVY. I'll put them in the description and links to them in case you're interested. You can go straight to that description. We're gonna be throwing at a range probably about 15 yards or so. And we're probably going to play a game today where we call out a number and we'll see how it goes.
5.
Okay, go ahead. Nice, that's a 3. All right. Oh, just need a 2 and you got it. Oh, so close.
I'm gonna pick
Good job.
6. One, can't get it, no matter what.
6. Here we go. All right, those are a little heavier, so they're easier for her to throw. That's a 2. Oh, so close. Good job.
Can't get it now. There's a 4.
Okay, pick your number.
4.
All right. Low. All right, you got a 2. Nice, you got 4. You got a point. Good job.
You're winning 1-0. My number's 5. There's a 3. There's a 2. I just got to make sure I don't hit a number.
Okay, 1-1. What's your number?
5.
Okay, 5. A little better. Oh, 2. Need a 3. Oh, so close to the
Number
3.
10. 2. Oh.
Last round. What's your number?
6.
6. Oh, keep going. Good try.
I'm going to go with 7 for the win. 4. Oh, it's in. I think I'm in the 3. Give me that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I can't get anything else.
All right, get out there and have fun. You enjoy that?
Yes.
All right, we'll see you next time.